Did you know a single sneeze could have killed Martin Luther King Jr.? In 1958, Martin Luther King Jr. was signing books when a woman stabbed him in the chest with a letter opener. The blade came within an inch of his heart. Doctors told him, "If you had sneezed, you would have died." While recovering, MLK received thousands of letters, but one stood out from a ninth-grade girl. "I'm so happy you didn't sneeze." He remembered that note for years. Why? Because if he had sneezed, he wouldn't have led the March on Washington, wouldn't have given the "I Have a Dream" speech, wouldn't have changed the course of American history. He survived that day and chose to keep fighting hatred with peace. He didn't just avoid death, he gave the world life.